This is a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport LE. And if you need to change that little bulb that's right here, I'll show you how to do it. Sorry, my alarm just came on. So anyway, that's the bulb I'm talking about. So you just remove the this little panel that's right here. These are real easy to remove off. That way you can get your hand back here. So what worked for me is getting a light down here and have it facing up this way. So there's a gray connector right there. You see it? So just get your hand back here. Look through here. I don't know if you can see this, I'm sorry. Anyway, so you're going to turn it counterclockwise. And there it is. That's the connector I was talking about. And then put it back on, just stick it back into that little hole and turn it clockwise. And same thing for the other side. Anyways, I hope this helps you.